Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to add subtitles to a video in native iOS application with Swift. So let's get started. So here, as you can see, that I have added one subtitle file to my project, but this is just for convenience. Even if your subtitle file is located on a URL, like here you can see, it is very simple. You just have to add this bit of line, which I will show you later on what exactly you will have to do. But firstly I will show you guys the output. Also, one more thing is iOS only supports this sample the extension. If you see, it's VTT. It only supports VTT. If you want to support SRT files as well, then you will have to either convert SRT to VTT, so you might have to write some function for that, or if you directly want to support SRT, then you will have to write your own custom logic, which I'm not capable of doing that. That's why I have just taken a VTT file over here. So firstly I'll show you the output. Here I'll click on pick video. It opens the video picker for me. I'll select one video. And here you can see my subtitle has been is getting displayed, and it's the same subtitle which I am which for the subtitle file which I have. So anyways, let's get started. So firstly what I have done is that inside my I'll just stop this. Inside my info.plist I have added this photo library usage description permission so that I can pick video. Also I have set the minimum iOS deployment target to 16. You can keep it as 15 as well. I think maybe 14 might also work, but yeah. Then here I have dragged and dropped one sample subtitle file which is of extension VTT. Then inside our view controller, so if you want you can use Swift UI as well. I am just using UI kit. So here I have imported photos UI as well as AV kit. Then I have created one variable for our subtitle URL. It could also be possible that the subtitle is present inside the user's device, so in that case you will have to open a document picker and then get the URL for that particular subtitle file. Just for simplicity's sake, I have dragged and dropped the subtitle file inside our project. And then here I have created our AV player view controller as well as final URL. Then I have created one UI button as well. I have assigned some background color, one click listener to it as well as I have added it to our view. Then here we are loading our subtitle files. So I'm just passing sample. This is the file name, VTT, which is the extension which I have, and I am assigning it to our subtitle file. Now before coming to this add subtitle, we will come to this pick video press. So once you click on the button, we are first requesting for photos app permission. So here you can see I have given this particular permission, and once the permission is granted, then only we call pick video. So here you can see we are opening the video picker. We are filtering by video. Selection limit is 1, and here once the video picker is present to the user and the user picks a video, we come over here inside this extension. So I have created one completion handler for this. I'll come back to this later on, but basically to get access of this I have to store this video to a temporary location. So that's what I am doing over here. So this is boilerplate code which you have to write for storing file to a temporary location. So you can just copy paste this code, and in case if there is any error, we are calling our completion handler. So the destination URL would be nil, and error we are just passing our error, and over here we are just passing our completion handler, passing our destination URL, and in this case if there is any error we are passing that as well. And here this is just an helper thing which I have created. You really don't need this. If you want you can create this, just for debugging sake I have created this. Okay, then here you can see this calls our completion handler. So once our completion handler is called, we are dismissing our picker and calling this particular method handle pick video result. So if you see over here, if the URL is proper, then I am calling this add subtitle and passing our video URL. So if you see, we are calling this particular code. So firstly we are creating an AV URL asset. Now it depends on you where exactly is your subtitle file. If it is located on a network URL, you can just on comment this code and comment this out. Okay, so you can either change the URL to wherever is your subtitle file located. Again, it should be in the extension of VTT. Alright, but I already have it, so I'll just use this. Then I create an AV mutable composition. Then I add our mutable track to video track, like create a video track, create an audio track, and here we are creating our subtitle track as well. So the media type is text. Then we are getting the duration of our entire video. Then we are inserting the time range for our video track, inserting the time range for our audio track, and then inserting the time range for our subtitle track. Then once this is done, I'm just opening our AV player and starting to play the video. Now now everything is fine. Okay, but what about exporting? Suppose you want to export this video and save another copy to it. So the problem is that you can't really export a video along with the subtitle. So, again, there might be some solution for it, but it's definitely not easy. I have tried it using AV export session, like it was not exporting my subtitle. I don't know why, but that's the limitation. Now another way what you can do is you can either use core data or Swift data, and in that you can just map like whatever is the video name or some other identifier for a particular video. You can map the URL for the subtitle file, so you can create a subtitle in that way, and whenever user starts playing that video, you can look for that particular subtitle file's URL, so that you don't have to ask the user again and again for the subtitle file. If the title is not present, that means the user has either not selected the subtitle file or the user has manually changed the video title. Then in case, he might have to select the subtitle file again. But yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.